Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our technical tutorial on repairing the power button of the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. This repair can enhance the functionality of your device and save you money. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before we dive into the repair, ensure you have the following tools at hand. A Phillips number 00 screwdriver. A plastic prying tool. Tweezers. A clean microfiber cloth for dust removal. Anti-static wrist strap, optional for safety. Step 2. Power down and prepare. Make sure your ThinkPad X1 is completely powered down. Remove any connected devices and unplug the power cord. If you need assistance with the diagnosis, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 3. Open the back cover. Using the Phillips number 00 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. There are typically 6 to 8 screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Step 4. Locate the power button mechanism. With the back cover removed, locate the power button assembly. It is generally near the top edge of the device. Carefully observe how it is connected. If you're unsure about the repair process or if you don't have the tools, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 5. Inspect the power button. Check for any visible damage or debris around the button. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the area. If you see dirt accumulation, it might be affecting the button's functionality. Step 6. Remove the power button assembly. If you need to replace the power button, gently detach it from its connectors. Use your tweezers if necessary, but be cautious to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Step 7. Install the new power button. Place the new power button assembly into position. Ensure it clicks securely into place. This is crucial for the button to function properly. Before proceeding, if you would like a quote before repair, feel free to contact us. Step 8. Reassemble the device. Once the new button is installed, it's time to reassemble. Carefully place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Screw in all the screws you previously removed, making sure they are tightened properly. Step 9. Power on and test. Power on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 and test the new power button. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel, making your repair experience seamless. By following these steps, you can effectively repair the power button of your Lenovo ThinkPad X1, extending its life and functionality. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.